What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. And guys, we are here at Acura Honda Classic. We're waiting in line to get in now. Have a few cars ahead of us. So we're gonna go ahead and post up, hopefully see some cool cars and have a nice Honda time. A lot of cars out here, guys. I'm gonna do my best to film some of the best ones, but I'm probably gonna miss a couple, and I apologize. Very nice cars out here today. Wagon's super nice. Very nice wagon. The CRX is crazy clean. I love CRXs. I don't see too much, but interior is very, very nice. It is EG, guys. This thing is super nice. Yeah, that boy. You know this thing moves. Little EG with all that K-power. You know this thing gonna be ripping. Got the K in the MR2, K on boost. I'm not a big stance person, but this goes pretty hard. For all my stance people, this one's for you. Got almost like that VIP look. That's a nice setup. It's a real nice setup. We got a old school Mustang out here, giving some tail coach drift vibes with the TEs. Got an EP3 on boost. That's Booty Boy. Very nice. And we got a little RSX here. Some RSX action on some RPF1s.
This one you got
Valve cover though. Let's check my teeth in that thing. That thing's super shiny. Very, very nice, man. This thing's super clean. The interior is nice though too. I want one so bad. Yellow on the grays, just like that. This is such a setup. One of these, bro, I'd be so happy. One of these. If anyone ever wants to, you know, hook it up, I'm a size Type R in yellow. We got the Accord out here. Today on board, we got the Type R, and then we got a 4-door Type R. I know, but the 4-door Type R goes pretty hard. Let me know what you guys like more, the 4-door or the 2-door? I've seen this car around quite a bit. This thing's super nice. Okay, on boost action. Very nice. And then we got this FA5 on a Craftwork supercharger. I've seen these things rip. I've seen a couple on YouTube, but on Instagram and stuff, man, these things are ripping. I love that Gen 2. One of my favorite sedan gens. That old school JDM Odyssey out here. It looks good. Looking mad clean. And then we got a EK hatch with some K-power. A lot of K-power out here. The K is the wave, 100%. And this is a whole other vibe. This is the one that Acura Honda Classic restored, and now they're like tastefully modding it. But man, there's a little time capsule right here. It's crazy. Look at that. Thing's a little time capsule, man. I wish I was around during this era, man. Like little golden age. I wish, man. I wish. The EK goes hard, and the white slips. Oh man, that looks good. Like that looks clean. This thing's on the ground too. Nah man, look good, look good. I got the EG right here. Some B on boost. Where my single cams at? Seeing a lot of KBs, J's. Where are my single cams? Again, not a big stance guy, but this one's for you. It looks good, I'll give you that, it looks good. Then we got this EG over here. And we got the line of the NSXs, both new and old. We got a bunch of NSXs out here. What gen do you guys like the most? The first one with the pop-ups, the new gen, or do you like the non-pop-up, like I think it was like the 2003. Which one do you guys like more? This one though, every single time I gotta get a video of it. This thing is beautiful. It's a color I love. I wish it had pop-ups because I like pop-ups more, but this thing is dummy clean. Look at that, man. Oh my gosh. This one's all stock. I think that's so cool seeing them all stock, but also seeing it like this, that one just hits different. We got all the Type R's over here. And we got a pretty nice lineup of S2Ks with a new gen Civic. Some S2Ks out here. More Type R's. Okay, I gotta stop at this S2K real quick. This thing is gnarly, man. The Agon 023. This thing's crazy, bro. Track ready, looking beautiful with that color on it. Look at that, oh boy. Color's nice. It almost looks like the color that's on the C63 Black Edition, I think. Bro, this color goes hard. I don't know if the camera is really grabbing it right, man, but this color is gorgeous. Going right for that yellow, man. That yellow looks good. Oh man, that yellow looks so nice. Oh, and the yellow and the blue, classic colors. No man, that looks good. See, he's got like some spoon bits. Oh man, looking clean, looking clean. You might not hear me because the music's so damn loud, but check this out. Boy put a Honda back. Only the OGs are gonna remember the yellow IS. If you're an OG, you're gonna remember the yellow IS. Thing goes hard, man. We'll have a yellow IS again soon. Thing's parked out here super low key, but this is the one that was on TRC. This thing gets rowdy. We got another EK. This RSX crazy, man. Every time I see it, it's super clean, man. You can just eat off that engine bay. I wonder if we finally did the all-wheel drive. Look at that, bro. This thing is crazy.
I guess maybe I don't remember, maybe my mom forgot to tell me. But yeah, she's like, yeah, she died like 2 years ago. Oh, really?
Yeah. Man, this EG is super clean. Really nice EG, man. I love that color too. Remind me of Hector's car from Fast and Furious. I love that color. This Prelude goes hard, man. It's just about the only one out here too. I don't think I've seen another one. This thing is beautiful. I love it, man. It's one of those cars I would love to have. This is crazy. J-Series in the EF. That is insane, man. This thing's probably got to rip so hard. That's crazy. Yeah, man. This thing goes hard. This thing on ITVs? Yo, that's this thing's gotta sound so good. On ITVs. This thing's nice. K2's in there. I like the little sleepy eye look. Oh man, it looks good. Yo, the little van is cool. Like a CRV van. I think it's so neat.